Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix file games guys ultimate knockout error 200_104 on your PC, and how we can fix this up when you're trying to download from the Epic Games store, and how we can fix this up. So let's move to the workarounds, and this is what you have to do. Just follow the instruction. First, go over here in the library. Now as you can see, I have already installed File Guys right now. So here we'll be getting a three dot option. You just have to click on this one, and there is an option called verify. Just go for it. So you just have to click on the verify, and as you can see, this is working in place. So what happens is, if any corrupted files are there, these all will be completely fixed by just doing this verifying option. And once you're done with the verifying option, what you have to do is you just have to wait for it. Once it is completely done, you just have to minimize this one or close this one. Okay, you can close this one. Go over here and do a restart. Once you're done with the restart, just go back to the Epic Games launcher. Done with the restart, then click on launch, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And this is how you can fix File Guys ultimate knockout error 200_1040 on your Epic Games store, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. Bye.